Hi grade 1 friends and families. Today we are going to teach you a math game, and this math game is a great game to play with a sibling or with your parents, and it's going to help you practice your addition and your subtraction strategies. This game is called Coverup, and I have a wonderful assistant with me today. This is Grady, and he is my son, and he has offered to help us out with this game. So, in order to play, you only need 4 items, and these items are all things you should be able to find around your house. The first thing you need is a cup, and it should be a cup that you can't see through. So I've got my Harvey the Hound Tim Hortons cup here. The next thing you need is a pencil and a piece of blank paper. And the last thing you need is a collection of little Lego blocks. Or if you don't have Lego blocks, anything will work. Anything that is small that will fit underneath of a cup. So like marshmallows or Cheerios or blocks or anything that is small. And you need between 10 or 20 of them, okay? So we're gonna start this game by getting our paper ready. And in order to do that, we're going to fold our paper into 4 squares. So I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half again, like this. And then I'm going to open it up. So you should be able to see that we've got 4 different sections. And that means we can play 4 different games. The next thing we're going to do is, for our first game, we're going to start with the number 10. So Grady is going to write the number 10 at the top of a square. Now Grady is using a marker just so that you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so he's written the number 10 at the top of his first, rectangle. The next thing he's going to do is he's going to count out 10 Legos.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and
Okay, so we'll put, too many? Okay, we'll put the others back. So he has 10 Legos, and that's what we're going to start with for the first game. Now he's going to get his game board ready, and he's going to write 5 empty equations that will equal 10. So Grady, can you write your 5 empty equations that will equal 10? So he's going to draw a blank line, a plus sign, another blank line, an equal sign, and then the number 10. And he's going to do that 5 times. And one more. Okay, thanks Grady, and I'm going to hold this up so that you can see what it should look like. So we've got 5 empty equations that will equal 10. Now, to play the game, I'm going to hide some of these Legos underneath of the cup. And then Grady is going to have to count how many are left over, and he's going to have to guess to find out how many are hidden. Okay, are you ready, Grady? So close your eyes. I'm going to hide. Okay, you can open your eyes. How many Legos do you see?
I see 4 Legos.
How many do you think are underneath of this cup?
I think that there are 6 Legos under the cup because 10 minus 4 is 6 and 4 plus 6 equals 10.
Okay, now could you use the strategy counting on to figure that out as well?
So we have 4, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I have 6 fingers up.
Okay, let's see if he's right. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nicely done, high 5. Okay, now Grady's going to write those numbers into his equation. So he started with
4, and I added 6 on, and it gave me 10. Well, there was
Okay.
6 on the top.
So there's his first question. Are you ready for the next one? Okay, close your eyes. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 out, and 10 minus 8 equals 2, and 2 plus 8 equals 10.
Okay, so if we were to count on, what would that look like?
So we have 8, 9, 10. I have 2 fingers up.
So you think there are 2 underneath of the cup?
Yep.
Okay, lift the cup. And he's right. So now he's going to put his equation onto the lines.
8 plus 2 equals 10.
Nicely done. Okay, we're going to do it again. Close your eyes. Okay, are you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 out of the cup. 10 minus 5 equals 5. That means 5 plus 5 equals 10. So there must be 5 under the cup.
Let's see if he's right. Want to count those?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what's your equation?
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Great job. Now he could do this 2 more times with the number 10. If you're finding that 10 is pretty easy, then in the next rectangle you could do a higher number. So you could pick like 15 and then count out 15 Legos. If you're finding that 10 is a little too challenging and you're having a little bit of trouble coming up with those missing numbers, you can do a smaller number. So you could do the number 8 or the number 6. So you can play this 4 different times using a different number each time. And I would suggest doing about 5 equations for each of those boxes. Okay? So thank you very much, Grady, for your help today. And I hope you have fun playing. Thanks for joining us.